Hello kids, welcome to my channel Knowledge 1st to 5th. If you are first on my channel, so like, share and subscribe. Today we are learning about verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action that we do. For example, eating. The boy is eating. The boy is eating. Playing. The boy is playing. The boy is playing. Writing. The boy is writing. Drinking. The boy drinking the milk. Brushing. The boy is brushing his teeth. Catching. The boy is catching the ball. Kicking. The boy is kicking the ball. The girl is smiling. The girl is smiling. The boys are climbing. है ना? Here, eating, playing, brushing, catching, kicking, smiling, climbing are words that mean actions and therefore action words. An action words tells what someone do, है ना? So verbs क्या होते हैं? Verbs वे action word होते हैं जो कोई भी person कुछ work कर रहा होता है, उसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Action word. Let's do some sentences. This is John. John is very active. He does a lot of things. John dances to his favorite music. He plays tennis. John reads a lot. He jumps. So here plays, dances, reads, jumps are words, action words, है ना? So what are verbs? Verbs are action that we do. जो हम करते हैं वही verb होता है. कोई ना कोई हम action करते हैं ना, तो कोई भी work करते हैं. Like laughing, हम हंसते हैं. Sleeping, सो रहे होते हैं. Running, दौड़ रहे होते हैं. Playing, खेल रहे होते हैं. Brushing, ब्रश कर रहे होते हैं. Smiling, स्माइल कर रहे होते हैं. Walking, वॉक कर रहे होते हैं. So these all are verbs and action words. So जो भी हम करते हैं, कोई action करते हैं, वही हमारी क्या कहलाती है? Verbs. And verbs are action that we do. So what are verbs? We do something are called action word. Okay, thank you.